So today we're going to be talking about solving radical equations and inequalities. So what is a radical equation? A radical equation looks something like this. Basically, it's when like the x is under the radical and in the equation, right? So what do you do here? Oh boy, we're gonna square both sides. So we're gonna, well, actually, I think you minus 2, and then you get, oh yeah, there's a 3 here. Whoopsie. 2x minus 5 equals 3. Oh, that's a big 3. Okay, so then you actually, since it's the index is 3, you do to the power of 3, and then this to the power of 3. So you're going to cube everything. So this will cancel out. You'll have 2x minus 5, and then this one will cube out like a regular number. So this will be 27. So now Use is going to add that 5 to both sides. Oh. And you're going to get 32 on that side. But on this side, you're going to get 2x. So 2x equals 32. Then you divide by 2. 2. Right? Correct. Correct? Let's do that. I think it's 16. Yeah, 16. So then we know x equals 16. So now what you're going to do in order to make sure that x equals 16, is you're going to plug it into the original equation. So I'll just do that automatically, right? So we're going to add this, so 2, that's 32 minus 5, which is 27. So cube root of 27 plus 2 equals 5. So we know the cube root of 27, that would be 9. No, it wouldn't. That would be 3. So it'll be 3 plus 2 equals 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. And that would be a yes. 3 plus 2 does indeed equal 5. So check that off. Hooray. So radical inequalities are a little bit more different than radical equations. So you're basically going to do the exact same thing for the first part. So 3 plus, we'll do a different one this time, 5x. So now you would do exactly what we did in the other one. So make sure you get this radical by itself. So 3, it would be 8 minus 3. That would be 5 over here. So 5, and then that over here. And then eventually you'd square this one since the index is automatically 2. So you'd square this one, right? And then square this, which, well, you'd square this actually, right? So you square these two. This radical disappears, so you got 5x minus 10 is greater than or less, or yeah, less than or equal to 25. And then you'd solve that plus, and then you get 35, and then 35 divided by 5, which is 7. So x over here is less than or equal to 7, right? So you got that part. So you have that part now. Now here's how it's different. When you go to check it, you have to make a number line. So this is going to be our line. We're going to use this. On this side, we're going to put 2. On this side, we're going to put 7. So now we have these 3 areas. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. We're going to test a number in each one of these ranges. So if you want, you can pick anything under 2 here, anything in between 2 and 7 here, and anything above 7 here. So just as an example, we'll do we're going to do the one on this far side. So we're going to do 3 plus the square root of 5, plug in 10 for x, minus 10, less than or equal to 8. So we're going to do the same thing, and plus 5, or minus 3, so that's 5, and then this will stay the same. So you're going to square these two. You're going to square these two. Square that. So we're going to get 5 times 10. That looks like a 6. 10. That looks like an 8. Gosh darn. 10. Oh wow. 10 minus 10 less than or equal to 25. So again, radical disappears, stays. So first we're going to do plus 10 so we're going to get a 5, so we can just do this automatically. It turns into 50, and then 25 plus 10 is going to equal 35. So as you can see, this does not this isn't true. So 50 is not smaller than or equal to 35, so we can put an x here. And if you do the other two, this one's an x as well, and this one's the one that works. So you just have to have that. And that's how you know. It should be in here. So thank you for watching the video that I have created. If you have any quest ions, leave them right now. Now that you're done with that, thank you for watching. And goodbye.